Seeing is believing when it comes to supersizing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. I use some funky filter. As you can see, I got this great nose and these beautiful eyes, and what awesome makeup today. So seeing is believing, this idiom, this expression dates back to ancient Greek times. It actually appeared in the Bible. Jesus said to his doubting disciple Thomas, in John 20:29, something to the effect of, it's better to believe than to necessarily have to see. It's attributed to the clergyman in the 17th century, Thomas Fuller, saying that seeing is believing. But then in the movie The Santa Claus, if you recall, Judy says believing is seeing. And I think there's something to that we could talk about another day. We see only what we allow ourselves to see. But we want to keep that in mind when we're dealing with our customers and our employees and everyone else in our organization. When we want to supersize and build our business, seeing is believing is an important idea to keep in mind, whether we believe it or not. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how important to you is it that you see something in order to believe in it? There's a lot of things I don't see and have never seen, but I absolutely believe in them. I've never seen $1 billion, but I absolutely believe that $1 billion exists, right? Even if it's just on computers or cryptocurrency or things. We know that, and even if we haven't seen, $1 million or $100,000, we know that it exists. So do we have to see it to believe it, or do we just have to believe and then maybe we will or will not ever see it in our lifetime? So how do we use this to grow and build and supersize our business? Number one, we want to keep in mind that we need to show our customers, the people that we're here to serve, and demonstrate to them what the benefits every day, what the benefits of our products and services are to them, how it gives them exactly what they want. Not what we want to sell them, but exactly what they want and need for their life, either to solve a problem or a desire that they want, right? So how do we do that? We do that through testimonials, because if somebody says something about us, it's true. If we say something about ourselves, it's bragging or it's ego. Referrals are one of the best ways to bring people into your organization and business. Word of mouth will always trump everything else. It's why rating systems and things online are so popular, because people want to know how other people have experienced the products or service. I would contend that part of Amazon's success, besides focusing so diligently on the customer, is their rating system and the way that they market each of the products and services and provide social proof from other people, not from the person that's selling the product themselves, about the experience that people have had with them. We want to follow and use seeing is believing in our organization with respect to our vision, the vision for our organization. We want people to know where we're going and where we're taking the organization. People that partner with us, people that are our suppliers and vendors, people that are our distribution system, people in our whole chain. We want to make sure that we all are on the same page in terms of what it is and how we're doing it, and what we're creating in the world. So our vision of the future, we always want to be sharing that with people so that they understand their part in it, so that they buy into, they see the future in their own mind and the part they play in it. And that helps them to believe and know that the work they're doing isn't just, futile. Although sometimes we feel like our tasks are futile, even though they're an important cog in the machine of what it is that we're trying to do or create. A lot of times, vision and the things that we see are visual illusions and distortions exist in our world. And that's why I always say seeing is believing, but you can't believe everything that you see. Everything you read, everything you hear, everything you see isn't true. Why? Because sometimes people distort the truth or turn the truth and twist the truth. Statistics is a huge example of that. We can create and find statistics to support absolutely any argument we want to make. I firmly believe that if you want to make an argument for something, you can find or create a statistic that will prove and back up what it is that you're trying to say or show people. But I say be ethical, be honest, be truthful with people, because that's what they really want to see. They want to see that they can believe in you and your organization. That's it. I'd love to know your experience with seeing is believing. Have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another mental or mindset or mental well-being related idiom for the month of March. Have a great day. Bye. My regular face will be back tomorrow too.